welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarambai bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Northeast Olympic Games begins. New school inaugurated at Meghalaya, Lincoln. DC to investigate on phantom names in the health department. And left with no options, students appeared on the streets. And now the news in detail. The Northeast Olympic Games began with zeal on the 10th of November 2022. The Meghalaya State Olympic Association marked the beginning of the Olympic Games, introducing the day by igniting the lamp torch as a custom in Olympic Games all over the world. This lamp torch was introduced from Shillong Golf Club, so on up till Sai Nehu. Personalities like I.S. Vijay Kumar, CEO of Northeast Games, Working President MSOA John F. Kharshiyeng, and Director Sports and Youth Affairs S. Awasthi were witnesses to the vibrant day, and I.S. Vijay Kumar hoisted the flag marking the beginning of the Olympic Games.
Go, go, go!
On the 10th of November 2022, the Minister of Rural Development, Hamlet Sondoling, MLA of Meghalaya, inaugurated a new school, Government Lower Primary at Lincoln, Meghalaya, with the presence of the teachers of the school, elderly and women of the village. The school has reached 58 years of its service to the children of the schoolgoers in the area. The government spent Rs 37 lakhs in construction of the school. Hamletson in his speech expressed hope that the existence of the school will bring a lot of knowledge in the coming years to the students apart from education itself. He added that the government estimated Rs 3 crores to renovate schools present in Meghalaya constituency. He expressed his gratitude to all the village administrators, the teachers who have contributed in their own way to construct the new school.
Budi ati kelar boron banyak kerub yang barpi kum kipai banon Shillong Shillong Lincoln lengba kade kesngi ke bakrau kesngi ke bansa kemau ke bang Shillong pateng la pakit hakabangi la banyo banteno ya kani ke yang school tinggal suruh ban aku bekerpang ya kinong irap ban pesai ke school iba walser ban iba sharp kopar kibla 3 stom kibla 3 minute ban plong school kumaklong kumtei nak yang jongang ala penyo yak sanction ke basau pholak tengka bansna yak yang school tangma ka por bakhod yak tandar pate ngim khor bro sa pholam khor pade tang lai penyo lak tam bansna yak yang school ti mari rong mane hani ngapet ke school ti ngam ikop ke yang school ikum ka yang pakidulan jongno mo pet se bunuk nok yang school kate mera pet na phai kindet pet tak Mudah mudahan yang sekolah kata nyar tang ni pok beli melingkin kayok yang sekolah kebaik tenat kebaik ibit bah banyak berkat nama ta kumno berkentiu yang jangan star pasang jong pi berkai kilat kentiu bagi nak banle di nomor ban nak jangan ngaju semkia bah bade bat kapuli keputi tinggal apa ni keren di ba ri ngawang ba aku apa na skim yang sejong pi
Under the leadership of Ban Kharnayor, President of Hito Ribhoi, on meeting with the health department, they clarified that they did not release double salary or for 2 people at once, even though their names are out as regular casual workers and officiating staff, but however, they drew the money only for the officiates. As per their interests, the Hito demanded the DC to investigate on the matter relating to the presence of double names or double persons and the existence of phantom names. The DC promised to investigate on the matter, and according to the law, serious consequences will be imposed on anyone found to be behind this nuisance.
Nakaliang jingi gaseng ni kuat kon percaya kendiat habai de bagai jing mi ya ga jing inews habai de bagi channel berper habai de bat ka pus rengai ki badon apa staff apa office jong di micho kumju jing tre ar mut ar kerteng ar kam we bro nakaliang jong kini ki battery of shit ki bami kerteng ro apa ka list jong ki RCW lan bat casual ki bagun thop ya Ba Richard Nongplang kong Dayo Kika Surong, Ba Shanpura Thangkiu, Ba Frankie Marwin, Ba Shanbhas Otun, Corin Makri, Baya Dalin Kahit, Elvin Majau, Bakstar Lamarai, tunjuk ya i Flavia Makri, Ba Ibhabok lang Mangsap. Hagaba Nagaliang Jong Ine, Kilawan Ban Kundu Ingi, Kajing Kloy Kajungki Ban Kundu Jungki Ingi Kelong Ban Pensai, Ba Nakaliang Jungki Kim Sem Labam Armaloi ya kata katulap lane ya kata katulap Jungki bat kidrobe ya katulap jongko offset bat kipen pau ga jing solungo ba kumji bahabalok bahulang bat i Flavia ba apakila tre sawe bat kewe di kapus kat ba ya ka offset ke Jungki kadang mi adu mentah.
Today, the 10th of November 2022, students of Meghalaya, which includes students from different colleges of the state, unanimously gathered in Malki at a meeting presided by HYC Education Cell regarding the failure of the government to release the scholarship of the students, which is also rightfully their share. While speaking with the students, they expressed their grievances, stating that they have no other choice but to resort to this behavior since majority of them are from a poor background and they have to miss classes to work in order to pay the college fees. They added, despite the fact that the education minister had released about 169 crore, they will not cease their actions until the money is transferred in their bank accounts. Roy Kupar Sindram, the General Secretary, participated for the cause alongside the students as a sign of support.
Kami ada junjak kepuram undang yang ke HWC boleh khamdame junjak kepuram kerpang yang pergi sama di Meghalaya Sua kiti pada kita kiti kapan kiti kadang lalu mesti tahu apa kesai lalat kan pensau limpa kita memorandum education minister pendawa berpelajar berdua yang kita scholarship pada pending jokes yang arjan akuai arjan akuah Why statement na rejection minister meredak press conference diri kakaba nakadang juga HWC rekat di semua boleh lagi institution rupiah menen pesgi ngilalai ban ya kita ke press conference benar ya kita peaceful march kaba ngilapan ya ke permission nak deputy commissioner sedang nanti nak kuat mudahnya rehab shadow additional secretariat kerai diskusi nak pangilayo apat yang kejubang ba kata ke permission ya kaba bila buat kan pelang yang tak kejingiat apat ba nanti nak kuat mudahnya rehab additional secretariat layo apa balik kejubang baong ba dinamla ban ay kata ke permission yang bisa nomor ba nong ba Shillong kadon ya kata ka 144 CRPC ka blog enforce habaro kawai ka nong ba Shillong ikwa bentep ikwa bungo tanto lagi kecikeli harto nado bindo jelam Meghalaya ka jongi kamatan ya ka constitution jong jong apadang apala ban different ya kata ka demokratik protes jung weapon way do Shillong jelam kasukar kam harto kasukar MDA kam krau makar ya kata ka constitution jong India nado bindo kom long suo Bakom ki no Shillong kom ki samla jong jelam bingin presno kita gimat ki curang bingin presno itu jengia kiba kom ki samla iton syam sak sokar kalau sokar kusno kata jengi ki ke jengi kalang undemokratik. Kada kita kesukar. Biasa nomor bagi ia kini ski. Begitu ialah macam ke HYC. Kau inilah. Kau itu semua letak. Berfiar. Bersyak semua. Buat dia kijing ki. Kepala arais dia mensual. Tang nomor bagi mi madan. Tapi slow. Kita kimat kijurang. Jom kari buat kejap beliau. Slow ni keporo menang. Kalau ada kesah kesukar. Ada kita buat restrict. Slow. Bagaimana kijing ilong pai ba kijungi. Kabak. Kremsem. Dah air tak kijing bet. Slow bagi. Hilang kita buat defy ketika 144 CRPC. Nah, kan kau lagi message ke berkeliar. Bila berpak. Yang tak kesuman letak. Sangat. Buat. Ngai hisimat. Ngomdan yang tak kecil sir. Yang tak kecil smith. Nak bentar. Tegun. Ketawa. Yang kehad. Jom. Semua. Nak kulit.
The 14th Independence Day Cup 2022 football tournament, organized by the Maulasnai Social and Cultural Sports Club, has come to an end on the 10th of November 2022 at Maulasnai Football Ground. Dr. CJK Warjri, BDO Bhoirambong, CNRD Block, was the chief guest, accompanied Shempang Lingdong. Banshai Marsharing, president of Maulasnai Social and Cultural Sports Club, Joblin Sten, the village headman, and other personalities were witnesses of the day. In the finals, SK Living Football Club defeated Ribhoi United Football Club with 1-0 goal. The match was full of excitement with the presence of encoring supporters of corresponding teams. The winner, SK Living Football Club, received a sum of rupees 1.20 lakhs along with a trophy, and the Ribhoi United Football Club received a sum of rupees 60,000 along with a trophy.
Ngayon po ako kastit Meghalaya po mag-isu kunjuk baka football kadai ka number 1 sports hakani ko banta dong ka ri gudungi tega ngayon ko football sa talang gijakan pasya bangilay dili baki yesim banta ha football hadukin nomret hadukin pasi haduki kena mak haduki long kebe haduki kete kidam kebe la ka football bak kalong ba iklat sipun ba kadai ka sports ka long ka motoron sports hakani ko banta gudungi Waktu paling penting saat dia ke babun, giluna kalian ki infrastructure, giluna kalian ki madan, giluna kalian ki stadium, dan ki madan ki badan ki Mauria, badan ki siap, henry kejini di football ini pangalit pangtur satulen Shillong, jom ki nong kendong, satulen Shillong jom ki madan. Gilang duna sipun, apa yang kejin duna, tempat pengiduna henry ya tadi ke sports pengelak dan balapan kang. Dari iba ba korpet yesim benta nak benta ban ya kentiu ya kami ke sports. But nak kalian jom kali ke serbar MI apa ke jemal jom congrats sama chief minister dan program jogi. Berani sibuk di benta kentiu benta.
The members of the HYC central body gathered on the streets and cried out on several demands, which includes the inner-line permit (ILP) to include the Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, to look into border issues, amend the reservation policy, and relocate residents of Punjabi Lane. The HYC is adamant to continue the search until all the demands are fulfilled by the government.
Kumkadak kajing penrem ya kajing le jong ki pulit bat ki bor magistrate jong West Kasil district menen kesengi hapuk ramrai akaba ya ki khot ki jongi ki balet ban penpau ban dawa ya ki hok ki bakarpang jong ajat benriu ya ki mat ki jurai ka bangi ngi labu hapuk ka thuk ka safe new trap mission ban let ban ra ya ki kot da ki jing tho haringkat ki lama jong kaseng ban yeng hakat lenti ka ba Chief Minister konak sangma unyat ban penkan mau ya ya ki khandai tligi mat ki bangi kum ka kenun gibu Ahmad jong ka sarkar ban keli jing keli ayu bakani ka sarkar habo ka jing alam jong konak sangma ulale resolusi banong bahakari sensar fight ba ka bangi ngi ong kata demokrasi hang ni apo India bakungju ro kani ka jela ka jongi menen ka sngi ni sngau thu shai bale si ngim im shu hakata kari sensar pat ba hapo kajing alam jong ni sarkar NPP ngiyoi ba hakapor ba kasnai kani sarkar ka ai kerteng kata ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance nreki kam ki ba maki kile lada pi phaidien yakinong hikai ki bawan mandawai ka hok haringkat ki khun ki kti ki jong ki klam pen sngo klam don jing sngo la siat di ki tiar gas la pen mensau la pen sat di ki khmat bat kum ta ter ter menen gasngi ngiyoi sakawe pat kakam kabakani ka sorkar kale lengba ki bor ki jongka hakabai ki khot ki jongi ki balet ban rai ki plakat ban pen kan mau perang sangma ki bulet dakabor ki lakni ye ki kot ki lakni ye ki lama jong kaseng ki klem ailat ye ki khot jong kaseng tang ban ra ye ki kot haki jing tho ban pen pau yo CM ye ki mat jing dawa ki jongi kum ka khenhut.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.